moms should be best friends or moms should be moms?
I think moms should be moms because they have a lot of friends. I mean, you got to be a parent.
Yeah.
Parents, they don't have so many,
Yeah.
Friends
Mummy
you
to
can
ek
have,
hi hai.
mummy to ek hi hai.
Worst part about being a mom?
I think the worst was when the children were very small because you're worried about the small infant. I was so happy when they became 1 year old and became a little stronger, a little sturdier.
As a baby,
Handling
very
a
fragile.
delicate baby was a big challenge for me.
And do you slap your kids?
100%. No, not at all.
By the badass moms, not guilty.
I'm not
Yeah.
guilty.
But always not. Upper therapy.
Of course.
Best part about being a grandmother.
Best part is pampering the children to the heart's content. And they give you so much of love and affection. Little cards they make. I've preserved all the little cards that they made.
Give the stress to the parents.
Yes.
Did you suffer from the emptiness syndrome or did you secretly enjoy it?
I think everybody knows the answer.
Yeah.
I'm.
Last question. One generational wisdom you want to pass on.
Accept life as it comes. None of us have had a very easy life. There have been a lot of challenges in our lives, but you just have to accept it and go with the flow. So what he says is, it's like a fish swimming against the current. No matter how much you try, the fish can never succeed. So learn to flow with the current.
Wow.
That's
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता
Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask Mummy Anything क्योंकि मम्मी को सब पता है. मम्मी और बच्चों का रिश्ता बड़ा मज़ेदार होता है, स्पेशली मदर्स एंड डॉटर्स. थोड़ा सा आज उसके बारे में हम ज़्यादा बात करेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज आई थिंक मदर्स एंड डॉटर्स इट कैन बी अ वेरी लविंग रिलेशनशिप एज वेल एज अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग रिलेशनशिप. आई मीन ऑन वन हैंड मदर्स कैन टेल यू दैट ओ माई गॉड मेरी परी कितनी प्यारी लग रही है एंड ऑल दैट. ऑन द अदर हैंड माई डॉटर समटाइम्स विल वेयर समथिंग एंड आई विल बी लाइक बड़ी मोटी लग रही है. सो एंड इट कैन जस्ट स्विच देम ऑफ completely. बट कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक हम विद इन दिस होल लव हेट रिलेशनशिप विद आवर मदर्स, कहीं ना कहीं व्हेन वी बिकम मदर्स आई थिंक वी ऑल्सो बिकम आवर ओन मदर्स. डोंट यू थिंक सो? सो आज ऐसे ही कुछ टॉपिक पे हम बातें करेंगे अपने मदरहुड के बारे में, अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में. और इसके लिए मेरे पास हैं दो बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट एंड दे आर सेलिब्रिटीज इन माई ओन लाइफ. So very much, and they're already giggling. They're a bit nervous because they are from my family. They've never faced the camera before, but I thought why not, हम ऐसी कुछ गप्पे मारेंगे कि हमारे फैमिली में जिंदगी भर लोग हमें याद रखेंगे. So आज let me first introduce my first guest, my mommy. Hello mami ji, bolo hello.
hello, Reenu.
She is Parminder Virk and she is my mommy and she is a mother of 3, grandmother of 6. Yes, grandmother of 6. And she has been a working woman all her life. She's been an English teacher and she retired as a very senior English teacher in one of the reputed schools of Delhi. So she has been a working mom as well as a stay-at-home mom, and she has a lot of experience of that. And she still volunteers to teach for a lot of schools, a lot of NGOs where she does voluntary education. She teaches children. So thank you, Mami ji, for coming. Welcome to my podcast.
I'm also looking forward to it.
Yes, we're going to have a great conversation. And my second guest is another very, very favorite person of me in my family. That is my Bhabhi.
Hello, everyone.
This is Sabina Bhabhi, and she is my cousin's wife and one of the senior most Bhabhis in the family, I think. And we both, our children are around the same age. So we've we spoke a lot about our children growing up together. हमने बहुत सारी बच्चों की
that's right.
प्यारी और नॉट सो प्यारी बातें हमने बहुत शेयर करी हैं, है ना. And she is a stay-at-home mom, and she's now 2 grown-up, very beautiful children, and one of them is almost going to become a pilot, and the second one will also become a pilot very soon. So thank you, Bhabhi, for coming to my show. Welcome.
Thank you. Looking forward.
Yes, and I have to give my audience a little brief. So since I was getting them, and it's the first time that I brought them, they were all very nervous, and they were like, "तू हमें क्या सवाल पूछने वाली है? तू हमें सवाल भेज." तो मैंने उनको सवाल भेजे थे, सब जवाब भी भेज. लेकिन सरप्राइज मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर चेंज कर दिया है.
Trust me, ये ऐसी करती है.
So yes, आज सरप्राइज टेस्ट लिया जाएगा आप सबका. So don't worry, it's going to be a chill conversation. So let me start with you, Mami ji. Mami ji, you are also an army officer's daughter and married to an army officer. So आपकी भी पूरी hardcore फौजी family रही है.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about your childhood. Tell me a little bit about your relationship with your mom.
I think I had a wonderful relationship with my mom because
I have 2 elder brothers and I used to really hate them as a child because they would trouble me so much. इतना tease करते थे all the time, and I would go running to mummy and say कि उसने ये किया, उसने वो किया, and mummy naturally she would take my side and really punish them. So I was most unpopular with my brothers, but very popular with my mom.
Yeah.
So she was more like a sister to me,
Yeah.
and a very beautiful, charming, enchanting kind of lady. So I was very, very close to her. She was talking about how it's a challenging relationship, but in my case, I think it was more of fun and
Yeah,
games.
yeah.
I remember seeing a large number of movies with my mother
Wow.
because I was very fond of movies.
Wow.
And when you're growing up, especially as a teenager, you want to go out.
Like in the movie halls, was it that
In the
popular
movie
that time?
halls,
Because your
movie
childhood,
halls.
we are talking about like 60s and
60s,
70s.
yeah, 60s.
yeah, yeah,
60s.
60s, yeah, 70 you got married.
70s, 75 I got married.
Yeah.
So I'm talking of 60s. So
Yeah.
we would go to a
Oh,
cinema
wow.
hall. We used to watch all the interesting movies. I've seen Guide with my mother.
How wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful.
So we had a lovely time.
So I mean, what was it like watching movies with her? Would she like? Would you guys discuss the actor or the actress? Would you say
absolutely.
ये
And
कितना
there was
good
so much
looking है?
excitement
Huh?
because there was no other really excitement in our lives.
Oh. पिक्चर देख के आते हैं, देवानंद को ड्रूल करके आ जाएंगे.
So no TV, mobile phones to भूल ही जाओ. We didn't really have a phone at home.
Yeah.
Everything was by snail mail. So we'd write letters to each other.
Wow. And your college, you went to a hostel.
College, I was in the hostel
then
in
you would do
government
the
college
letter
Amritsar.
writing.
So regularly waiting for letters from mom and me.
Yes.
But I think writing letters had its own charm.
Yes.
Because I have to mention, I had a wonderful relationship with my husband, who is now no more. And when we were engaged, he used to write a letter to me every day.
Wow.
And he wanted a letter from me every day.
That's romantic.
That's a lot. Matlab, now my husband, that he was in the field posting,
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
we wouldn't even text every day. The maximum text would be like, आज अंडे खत्म हो गए, अंडे वाला ऐप तुम्हारे फोन पे अंडे ऑर्डर कर दो. That's what it's come down to.
That's
so sad.
true. But Reenu, you must remember, this was a time when we barely knew each other.
Yeah.
The parents decided, he's also in the army, he's tall, good looking,
Yeah.
and everything was decided like that. And it was a period of getting, so we had so much to share. And that
Wow.
time I was in Chandigarh, I was in the hostel, and we met, I think, just once or twice before the marriage, but we were in touch all the time.
I wanted to ask you that when you met each other, that were you permitted to meet your fiance, or it was like नहीं बस अब शादी में ही मिलेंगे?
नहीं, that way I think both the parents were pretty
अच्छा.
liberal in the sense that I remember once I went out for a picnic with him in Ambala. We just went to one little farmhouse kind of thing, took some sandwiches and coffee and had a great time.
That's it.
And from my in-law side,
बाद
they got
शादी पे मिलना अब.
नहीं, एक movie देखी Zanjeer.
Oh, Zanjeer.
That was like very liberal on their part.
Yeah.
So twice we met.
Your parents were sitting in the back seat?
नहीं,
Maybe they were.
नहीं, we just watched it and बहुत मजा आया.
Yes. No, I met your mom many years back, and I remember her as a very graceful lady.
Yeah.
And I think she was a liberal person.
She was.
Of that time.
Of that time, very liberal.
much,
I could share
very much.
anything with
Yes,
her. I mean,
yes.
not that we had anything very earth-shaking to share.
Simple life.
But whatever little problems we had in our life,
Yes.
mummy was always there.
Wonderful. That's so nice to hear. And Bhabhi, tell me about your childhood. I know that you went to a boarding school in Nainital. So, and were you in the boarding right from the beginning, or like jaldi second, third types, or
Class 4
till
10th.
till 10th? Oh, that's a long time. So tell me, like, because I also
Basically,
went
my
to
whole childhood.
whole childhood in the
School life
boarding.
is, like,
So was
in
it
the
good?
boarding.
Did you enjoy it, or did you feel like did you have?
I loved it.
You loved
I
it.
loved my school
Shuru
life.
se?
Boarding was very nice.
Wow.
I mean, because at home you didn't have much to do.
Haan.
At least in the boarding you had your friends all the time.
Ah.
with you. So it was something. I mean, I really enjoyed.
You never
Of course, we were homesick
Yeah.
all the time. And if we craved for home food, that was like a
tell me
major
about it.
integral part of our
Tell me
lives.
about it.
Food.
Yeah.
But on total, we really
You
loved
enjoyed it.
I
But
enjoyed
aisa
it.
kuch nahi tha. Like, I've heard of some kids, who went to a boarding. I've also went to a boarding and I also enjoyed. But yeah, I had my time when I was super homesick. But there are some children who, like, I went to my mother and my mother was like, मुझे नहीं जाना boarding में, आपने मुझे क्यों डाला? That strained my relationship with my mom for life.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
No, not with
Not
me.
at all.
Not
You
with
enjoyed
me.
it.
No, never.
Hana?
I think it's person to person.
Yeah.
There
yeah.
were children who would always keep crying for their mothers,
Yeah.
and always. But like for us, we would go and in 2 days we would settle
Yeah.
down and we were
I
all
think
with
especially
our-
if you're an introvert and
Yeah.
a reserved kind of person, it's more difficult to
It
mix
is,
up.
it is,
isn't
it is.
it?
I had a
Yes.
friend who would just keep crying for her mother.
Oh.
Oh, mama. We're like, come on, relax. It's okay. We are here. But
it was good.
It was
Yeah,
fun.
it was good
fun.
memories you had.
And
I know because
memories
you
and
have
the bond,
friends from your
Yeah.
you have friends from
The
your boarding
friends
till
I
today.
have
I
from
know.
school for life. Like I can go back to them anytime.
How wonderful. Yeah.
So yeah, the bond that we had over there, it's it was
Yeah.
something different.
But you also had two elder brothers, I know.
Oh, yes.
And I know because I know your parents also. आपकी थोड़ी conservative family तो
Oh,
थी.
definitely.
So
Yeah.
I know that. So was it like, did you feel कि जब घर आते हैं, when you went to college? I know that they were strict because you had a love marriage with our cousin. I know that, and that was also like a long time. I know uncle took a long time. Uncle was a lovely
accept,
soul,
to
a beautiful
accept.
person. I know, but he took a long time to
I was
get
very
convinced.
close to my dad.
Yeah, and
yes, he did take some time.
he did take.
Because we were orthodox.
Yes,
like my
yes,
father
yes.
was. But then I think he accepted
came
it,
around.
and now he came around very well
And I
with
know-
it, and he's very happy later
I know,
on.
I know आपका एक ऐसा फेज था कि आपने बोला था कि शादी तो मैं उसी से करूंगी चाहे और किसी से शादी करूँ या ना करूँ and whatever, and then I think for 1 year आपने शादी नहीं भी हुई थी and then finally ऐसे कुछ हुआ था. I don't know. हमने तो ये ड्रामेटिक कहानी सुनी है.
No, I don't think it's not all true.
Not all true. Maybe it was made up
In
for
bits and
drama.
paper, हाँ. It's bits and bits, but not all true.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
But
But
then,
हमें जब
हाँ.
पता चला था कि आप हमारी भाभी बनने वाली हैं, because सब family friends थे, childhood ये वो.
हाँ.
So we were all like, very good, Sabina, she's so pretty, Sabina. I know, we used to, as all of us cousins, we used to really admire your fashion sense. huh?
Yeah, I know.
Bade cool
God.
हैं.
We admire yours.
Yeah, wonderful. But okay, so now moving forward, I wanted to ask now, you are a mother of 2, you're a mother of 3 and grandmother of 6. And but over the years now, I feel कि बहुत चीजें बदल गई है. Like my family was also kind of, my mother was kind of liberal, okay, but dad was pretty conservative and for a lot of things. But now things have changed, now over a period of time, I see my mother also change, as a grandmother, she's also evolved कि हाँ, so मतलब she accepts, talking about बच्चे के relationships क्या हो रहे हैं, college में कोई boyfriend तो नहीं बन गया, all of that, now it's become like a common, normal thing. So tell me, a question open to both of you, that how do you think has motherhood evolved over the years? Do you think it has changed? Do you think things are still the same? Are mothers still stuck in the same loop of putting themselves last? We are always a last priority. Or are we more self-aware of taking out time for ourselves and doing our own thing also? Anything like that?
I think to some extent motherhood has changed a lot, in the sense that more women, they are more educated, they are earning well, so obviously they are more independent than what we were.
Yeah.
For example, I remember when I got married, I was always very keen to pick up a job, and at that time, if you did MA with good marks, you could get a job as a professor. But my parents were keen that they wanted a Fauji guy as a husband for me. So being in the army, there was no question of picking up a job, because you are being transferred every 2 years.
Yeah, a lot
so
of
then
things.
I decided, I mean, these are just vague thoughts I had. I wanted to work, wanted to earn some money, but I had these 3 children in quick succession. But after my 3rd son, we got a posting to Delhi, and my in-laws were here. So mummy encouraged me a lot, my mother-in-law. She said, I decided to become a teacher, because teacher is a practical job. Yeah, mummy told me, tumne B.Ed karna hai to kar lo, no problem. I will support you. She took care. Gagan was just a few months old at that time.
Yes.
She took care of him, and that 1.5 years I did from Annamalai. It was distance education.
Yes.
But she was the one who encouraged me. And after that, I took up a teaching job.
Yeah.
And even that little salary coming in every month
It was
made
huge.
such a difference.
Yeah,
It
you added
made
to
a
the
huge
income of the
difference.
family, of course.
Little luxuries like going to a restaurant to have food,
Yeah.
or even to buy new nice clothes
Yes.
for the children, for
Yes.
ourselves, we could do it.
Yes.
Otherwise, army officers' salary is pretty basic.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we had a tough time earlier.
course, of course.
So I think that way women are more independent, and they become stronger over
But
the years.
that's amazing that, you're talking about your mother-in-law, which is our
Yeah.
nani.
Yeah.
So I definitely agree that she was a woman ahead of her time.
Yes.
So I mean, at
Absolutely.
that
Definitely.
that
Yeah.
age, that time to be encouraging your daughter-in-law कि
Yeah.
नहीं तुमने job करना है तो तुम करो. ये
And
तुम्हारी मर्जी
she
है.
took care of Gagan for that 1.5
Wow,
years.
that's amazing. That kind of support.
Yeah, because I was there busy with my books
हाँ,
and practicals and lesson
studies
plans
and all of that. But
It
उन्होंने
wasn't
पूरा
very
आपको
easy.
support
She
किया.
managed. Absolutely.
पूरा support दिया.
पूरा support.
That is wonderful. See कितना फर्क पड़ता है कि अगर आपके घर में और भी strong women हैं who
हाँ.
are there to support you. It's not about आप
Absolutely.
करना, आप job करना चाहते हो नहीं करना चाहते हो. The point is the choice is available.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
और अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो the support is available.
Yes,
I think that
absolutely.
makes so much of a difference
Of course.
in this thing, you know.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
and Sabina, even you, like I know
Yeah.
that your mother did not work, and you also chose to be a homemaker for the kids.
Yeah,
you wanted
I
to
was
do that.
working earlier.
Yes, I
Yeah.
know. You worked for a brief time, but I
For a
think
brief
after the
time.
kids were born, you wanted that I wanted to be a stay-at-home
Yeah,
mom and look
yeah.
after the children.
Yeah.
What made you take that decision?
Firstly, I think it was a conscious decision of both
Yeah,
of us.
yeah.
Because he said, I'll work. And
He had a
you take
traveling
care."
job also,
He
I
has
think.
a traveling job.
Yeah, yeah.
So he was not available all the time
Yes,
with the children.
yes.
And at that point, even my in-laws were not there all the time.
Yeah.
They are on and
They're
off
also
to
in
US
another city,
and
yeah.
So it wasn't really a choice that I had.
Yeah.
I didn't want to leave them with the maids
Yeah.
all the time. So I wanted to see the kids growing up and the little things that to
Yeah.
do when they the first walk, I wanted to be there with
Yes,
them.
yes.
So
and
that
and
was the
yeah,
thing.
and you were there wholeheartedly.
I was there and I've been there.
But you see with your friends who are, because this whole classic debate, you've been a working
Yeah.
mom all your life. When did you
Yeah.
pick up a job? And how old were the kids when you picked up?
Gagan had started going to nursery
Gagan is
school.
your youngest,
my youngest
son.
son.
So
He had
after-
started going to nursery school.
Yeah.
So he was about 4 years old.
Okay,
Uh-huh,
okay. Oh,
uh-huh.
oh,
Yeah.
since then you've been working?
Since then, I've been working.
Oh my God! And I've always seen you working. Yeah, I've
Yes,
always
yes.
seen you working, and you retired from Delhi at like very very
Yes.
senior position.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh wow,
Ha.
that you worked
Yeah,
for a lot
that's
of years.
commendable.
Yeah.
And I know that for sure because I've lived with you for a
Yeah.
year. So
Yeah.
I that is why I called you, In
Yeah.
fact, पहले मैंने जब ये podcast सोचा,
हाँ,
मैंने सोचा था मैं मम्मी को बुलाऊंगी.
हाँ,
My
हाँ.
mother typically she answered, she's like कि देख हम फोन पे भी लड़ते रहते हैं और हम घर पे भी कभी कभी हमारी लड़ाई झगड़े होते हैं. ए ना होए कि podcast सारे के सामने जुलूस निकल जाए. So I was like, ठीक है, okay, fine. Let's not get there.
I know,
Yeah.
let's
So
just
I was like, who's the next person from, like my mom? So I said, then my mommy has to be here because I've lived with you
Yeah.
for
You
more
know
than a
me
year,
so well.
and because you have two daughters and who are very close to me,
Yeah.
and all three of our sisters are very close. तो हमने आपसे बचपन से हर किस्म की बातें करी हैं.
Right.
इसलिए मैंने कहा कि आप ही को बुलाया जाए. इसलिए I thought कि let me do that. But
Right.
yeah, Mami ji, since you've been working all your life. And you've been teaching also.
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay. So, Mami ji, you have been a working woman,
Yeah.
most of your life. You just said that you started working when your youngest son was 4 years
Yeah,
old, and
yeah.
you have worked till I think beyond.
Yeah.
They've all passed out of
Yeah,
school and all of
yeah,
that. All
yeah,
till what
absolutely.
age, if I may ask?
I was working till about 56 years.
That's
Ha.
awesome. That's amazing. So you
yeah.
worked till a long time. So do you think it was a challenge in those? I mean, even now it is. I think forever it is for working women.
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा बहुत challenge तो रहता ही है. But आपके time में तो और भी कम help थी. Also,
हाँ.
I feel gadgets भी कम थे.
Of
Like,
course, of
है ना,
course.
fully automatic machines
हाँ.
नहीं थी.
हाँ.
Like, I heard this a lot from my mom कि हम तो कपड़े भी हाथ से धोते थे. तुम लोग तो मशीन ना भी automatic है
हाँ.
तुम्हारे पास. हम तो used to-
I remember जब
But I
washing machines आए, it was such a relief.
Relief.
Just put the clothes in and forget about
Yeah,
it.
right,
It was
right,
amazing.
And everyone at that time, you could not afford a lot of help. It's not
No.
कि आपके घर में कोई cooking के लिए
No,
भी आ रहा है,
no,
कोई
not at
कपड़े
all.
धोने भी आ रहा है, कोई कुछ भी आ रहा है. थोड़ा basic काम we had
हाँ,
help, but
हाँ.
most of the work everybody in
We used
your
to
age
do it
was
ourselves.
doing it yourself.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, और इतना ज़्यादा वो fast forward और खाना order करने का कोई
नहीं,
option नहीं था.
That time there was no
There was
option.
nothing. You
Yeah.
order.
No
there
Zomato.
was- है ना, no Zomato, no.
Yeah.
And
No
also the
Swiggy.
concept of eating
Yeah.
out was like a luxury.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
और ordering food तो खैर था
Of
ही नहीं.
course, absolutely.
So then, how difficult or challenging was it for you to be a working mom as well as this?
No, it was difficult and challenging. I remember before I picked up a job, my friend, philosopher
Yeah.
and guide, I asked him, I said, Dr. Saab, do you think I'll be able to manage it?
Haan.
Because I was really scared. 3 kids, how do I manage? He said, sure, go ahead with it. He encouraged me a lot.
How nice.
हाँ.
And but हो
That's
जाता था.
lovely.
हाँ, हो जाता था because I remember I used to do the entire cooking in the evening because morning I used to leave at 6:30.
हाँ, I
School
know.
was wherever
बस
you
आ
go,
जाती है.
school
Yeah,
starts
yeah,
at
yeah,
7:30.
definitely.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
cook the dal, sabzi, even आटा गूंद के फ्रिज में रख देना, rice वगैरह पहले बना के just put everything in the fridge and next day it would be comfortable.
Yeah.
Because
So
I had
that's
to
why.
pack tiffins for the children and for myself.
So-
Generally schools are over at about 1:32.
हाँ.
So we were always carrying a kind of breakfast to the school.
So at the end of the day, where there's a will, there's a way.
Yes,
ये
yes.
करना नहीं करना.
Yes,
है ना?
yes.
Like if you want to do it, then you got to.
If you're
like, pick it
determined,
up.
you can do anything.
You can do it.
You
know?
can do it, absolutely.
When I wanted to start stand up, there was a phase where I was feeling very very low about it, and कि घर के काम नहीं खत्म होते, ये नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता, and I actually reached out to somebody I knew.
हाँ.
And she told me one thing. and she said she said I wanted to do that vipassana जो होता है ना, जो
I know that 10-day
तो
course.
वो कुछ था, but she said I couldn't go there. Something था कि कुछ online कुछ होता है where in the they tell you how to practice it.
Right.
सुबह 4 बजे से लेकर
हाँ.
आपको सुबह के 8 बजे या पता नहीं 3 बजे 4 बजे से लेकर 8 बजे तक आपको चुप रहना है and whatever, and then you can go on with your कुछ उन्होंने practice कुछ मुझे बताई थी. She said I thought कि इतना डिफिकल्ट होगा, सुबह तो इतना रश आवर होता है, घर में बच्चों ने स्कूल जाना है, ये हो रहा है, ऑफिस हस्बैंड ने जाना है, कितना कुछ करना है. Then she said कि nothing doing, if I have to do it, I have to do it. So she said मैंने बस ठान लिया, I told my family कि listen, I'm ready to get up at 3 o'clock to do this. But you have to support me because when you start waking up at 7, nobody to talk to me. Nobody
Right.
should talk. You have to let me be till about 8 o'clock. And for this duration of time, जितने दिन वो करना चाहती थी, you have to be there and support me क्योंकि मेरे को करना है. She said, I made it a point कि मैं 3 बजे उठ जाऊंगी. मैं 3 बजे उठ के अपने काम करके I would be silent till I think 8 or 9 in the morning. And she said, मैंने वो 15 दिन या 20 दिन जो करना था मैंने वो करा.
कर लिया.
I
Great.
realized, and then she said कि so it's really in your head. If you want to do it, you got to push it. It's about the choice that you're making and what you want to do.
Yeah.
है ना?
Absolutely.
And to take out time for yourself, whether
Of
it's your
course.
job, whether it's anything. And
True,
Sabina,
true,
even you,
true.
I know
Right.
that although you're a stay-at-home mom, but I've never seen you, like I'm sure you have your bad days and you hassle and you get all of that, but I've seen you as a person that you make it a point to take out time for yourself. I know you have a good social life, you have a circle of friends, you like to go out with them, even with your husband. I think you're the only couple in the family who goes out on these couple dates, so couple holidays.
Right.
Yeah,
From the
yeah,
time
yeah,
when your kids were very small.
Yeah,
You and Bhaiya made it a point कि once a year हम सिर्फ husband wife बाहर छुट्टी करने जाएंगे ही जाएंगे, कहीं भी जाएंगे, चाहे 4 दिन के लिए जाएं, लेकिन हम जाएंगे. So I've seen that you made it a point कि I have to take out time for myself. So tell me how important it is. Do you see your friends struggling who are working or not working to being hassled and कि यार ये क्या है, हम तो माँ बन के इतना काम हो गया.
So I think it's a choice that everybody has to make.
Yeah.
And some people do it beautifully. I mean, I think I of course I have done my part.
Yeah.
I played my part well.
Yeah.
And but there comes a time when you really realize that, you know, if you were working, you would have been better off, because once your kids have flown out of the nest,
Yeah.
you're just left with nothing.
Yeah.
Your husband is also traveling. There's
Yeah.
nothing to do.
Yeah.
I think your pets play a major role.
Then the
in
pet
your life
becomes the
that
child.
time. Oh yes, I do.
Yeah.
I did have a pet,
Yeah.
but yes, they play a major part.
Yeah.
And
But it was important for you to be.
I wanted to be
your
there,
time as
yes.
well.
Oh yeah, I do take out my time. I do my stuff. I
Hana?
go out with my girlfriends.
Yeah.
I do want to do that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And definitely, me and my husband decided we will take a holiday once a year.
Yes, that's so important.
Of course, with my parents and my in-laws' support.
Yes.
If
Yes.
they were not
yes.
there, then we couldn't have taken
of
a
course.
holiday.
Ultimately, वो है कि सब
So
support system
support
ठीक होना
system
चाहिए.
तो था.
वो होना
And
चाहिए.
yeah, both the sides the support system
Yes,
was there. And,
yes.
we did enjoy those times.
हाँ. बस जरूरी है.
But
है ना, अपना
zaruri,
time भी बहुत जरूरी
I
है.
think it's very important for one to take out time for themselves.
Themselves. है ना?
And where there's a will again, there's a way.
There's a way. But
So,
tell me
I
that
do-
when you take out time for yourself, does this also happen? एक वो mother's guilt. Do you know the mother's guilt is, you know, Indra Nooyi said in I'm sure you've heard one of her very famous things, that she said that when I became the PepsiCo CEO and I came back home and I told my mother, you know what, I've become the CEO of the company, and she's like, हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है, दूध खत्म हो गया, दूध लेकर आ जाओ. So she's like, I've become the CEO of a company, and I'm like so big, and she's like, all that is fine, you keep your crown outside and come inside. When you come into the house, you're the woman, whatever. So she said, women can never have it all, no matter what you do,
Yeah,
whatever
true.
you do, घर के काम, घर की responsibilities will never ever go away.
Yeah.
So also the guilt. I think that whole guilt of either like working moms ka guilt is always there, even when you're taking out time. For example, I also went on a holiday with my friend when I turned 40. So me and my friend, we decided that my best friend, that हम एक हफ्ता हम Thailand जाएंगे. तो हम दोनों गए. तो बच्चे छोटे थे and all. It is such a big deal. I mean, nobody said कि don't go and all that. But it's like, oh my God, अभी अमन बच्चों को ध्यान रखेगा. Oh my God, बच्चों को छोड़ के जा रहे हो. you know,
I know,
कि
they
अच्छा
don't
बच्चे
see
की
that we are looking after
yeah,
their kids.
yeah.
all
What
the
about the
time.
husband when
When
he's
husband
traveling for
goes.
work?
Yeah.
And what about the husband when he's, you know, out for his whatever work? के लिए भी कितना
Even if they're going for work, they're going out.
going out.
I mean,
There's
you're
so
there
many
all the time.
PTMs that husbands miss.
Of
There are so
course.
many school annual functions that husbands miss. So many birthday parties they
Yeah.
miss. You know, my daughter, younger one Zara. So एक आधी PTM मैंने उसको कहीं miss कर दी. She will remind me every
That you
time
missed
till
it.
today. That PTM you did not come because that PTM they were making this announcement. I said, "Hey, Papa hasn't come for 10,000 PTMs."
No,
That is ignored.
But I think again, the kids are more close to the mothers. They want to, you know, say everything to the mothers. Fathers are okay; they're there in the background.
Yeah.
Yes,
but,
but,
mothers
you know,
are the ears. listening
Exactly.
ears.
हाँ.
But do you think that it's not just कि लोग हमें guilty feel करा रहे हैं? Do you think कि हम खुद भी अपने आप को बहुत guilty feel कराते हैं? Are we always, you know, pressurizing ourselves and turning ourselves down? Do you think that's true? Did you feel guilty?
Not in my case.
You never felt guilty. बाहर में जाओ, मैं अपना स्कूल जा रही हूँ, खाना बनाए जो
I think it's
Bana
just,
kha
I
lo.
think Mami ji, you got used to it.
I know.
कि अब
seriously.
मैंने जाना ही
Because
जाना
the
है.
children had seen me working from day one almost.
Yeah,
You know.
So they knew the system.
They knew that mummy's going to go in the morning. She's going to wear a nice
Yeah.
sari and dress up and put on a lipstick and vanish.
And
So
and
important.
she will turn up only in the afternoon.
3 o'clock. Yeah.
So they took it for granted.
Yes.
And they took us non-working mothers for granted कि घर
Yes.
आएंगे तो मम्मी ने तो होना ही
गरम
होना
खाना
है
खिलाना
घर
ही-
पे.
exactly.
And
Does that happen?
Of course it does, and that guilts us. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, initially it did.
Yeah.
No.
So
no,
if you
no.
would be out with your friends for a lunch or something and your
Yeah,
kids
and I had
got
to
back.
rush back because the kids are coming
did do
home. You have to
that.
pick them up from the bus
Of
stop.
course.
That
हाँ.
was there. You have to pick them up and get them home,
हाँ.
and feed them lunch, and then once they're settled again, you can go out.
But किसी
then
दिन अगर आप
that
नहीं होते
part
थे,
you have to play.
तो किसी दिन अगर आप नहीं होते थे तो your kids would sometimes snide remark कि अरे आज आप थे
Of
नहीं,
course,
आज तो खाना भी नहीं मिला
Where
मुझे,
you gone? 100
है ना?
questions.
आज आपने गंदा सा
आज
खाना पड़ा हुआ
दादी
था,
आए लेने, आप तो नहीं आए.
दादी
Where
ने
you?
दादी के राजमा उतने स्वाद नहीं थे.
No, that my kids cannot say because Dadi's rajmas are amazing.
She's with her
My
in-laws.
mother-in-law.
She's with her in-laws on this podcast.
Exactly.
She dare not say anything about दादी के राजमा.
Dadi's
sad,
khana,
sad.
they still tell me.
We know, we know. It's
she's
I'm
the
sure
best.
you know.
We won't judge you.
Yes.
हम आपके सामने इस पॉडकास्ट में कुछ
हाँ,
नहीं
नहीं, बोलना नहीं है.
बोलेंगे. No. But yes. So again.
But to answer that,
Yes.
I no longer feel the guilt because
Yeah.
they're all grown up now.
Yeah.
They don't need us.
Yeah.
And we need to spend
they're
our
better off.
time.
ठीक ही पल गए.
Of course, ठीक ही पल गए, and
हाँ.
yeah, they're good kids.
ठीक ही पल गए, है
वो
ना?
बोलना ही है.
हाँ, नहीं ठीक है, बोलना ही है. Also, again, this whole guilt thing, like you are saying,
Huh.
since you have two daughters who I know are very strong-minded in their own ways.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so your elder one is she's working for a very big corporate,
Yeah.
and she's always been very independent, and
Yeah.
she's doing a really good job. She's a mother of two again, whatever. And your younger daughter also,
Yeah.
she took a very bold decision
Yeah.
to give up her current. She's a MTech
Right.
from IIT, and
Right.
she was so talented, and she worked and all of that. She was a computer engineer, right?
Yeah. Computer.
Engineer, and she all your children, all three of them are super well educated. But your second daughter also took a very bold decision of giving up that whole career, life, everything,
Huh.
and she adapted to Sanatan Dharm.
Yeah.
She's a part of the ISKCON society,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
she's married to a person from that, and she willingly and happily gave it all up to live that very, very simple life.
Right.
And I mean, she's literally that transition from jeans and short skirts to total sari and sir dhak and whatever. So for us, मतलब हमको ही बहुत लगा था कि oh my god, Indira has completely changed her life.
Right.
So, but yes, again, both of them very strong-minded. So do you believe? Like, I really believe that strong mothers make strong daughters. Like your daughter also, since you've been independent in your own way, you're like, ठीक है, घर में मैं कर रही हूँ and all, but I have my own life, and your children also always knew that. And I think having said that, that's why your son, of course, he's going to be a pilot. Your daughter also was very clear that I want
She's
to
been
be
very clear for a long
since the
time.
beginning that I
Yeah.
want to work and I want to be independent and I want to do this, and she also wants to be a pilot. So I also feel like but for example, our mothers, your mother did not work, my mother didn't work, your mother did not
No,
work.
she didn't work.
She didn't work, but कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये लगता है कि sometimes our mothers what they missed, like मम्मी मुझे बोलती होती है ना कि मैंने पापा को बोला था कि मेरी बेटी जो है वो ड्राइविंग भी जरूर सीखेगी और वो जॉब भी जरूर करेगी, ये नहीं होगा कि ग्रेजुएशन या एजुकेशन खत्म हुई तो फटाफट इसकी शादी कर दे। मैंने 2-3 साल मैंने इसकी शादी नहीं करनी है जब तक ये अपना शी शुड हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग, सो दैट इफ शी वांट्स टू वर्क एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम शी हैज द कॉन्फिडेंस टू वर्क, right? And she must learn driving and be independent, because I never learned it and I feel that sometimes I'm stuck because I don't know how to drive. So in that sense I thought that she was very strong in that, and she made that decision कि ये करना ही करना है। तो and she made sure कि मैंने वो करा और सीखा। So I feel that today even my daughters, we aspire for more for our girls.
Yeah.
So today whatever I also felt कि maybe I got married early, maybe थोड़े और साल मैं वेट कर लेती हूँ। So now I tell my girls कि हाँ शादी करने में जल्दी मत करना, तुम आराम से अपनी जॉब करो, enjoy करो।
I think we all tell them that.
Yes. So do you think that strong mothers do make strong daughters, and everybody aspires for their girls to do a little more?
Yeah. I think that's very true.
Yeah.
I'll give a small example.
Yes, please.
So I was always a topper throughout, very good in studies. Generally I would top my class. And somehow my parents had put it into my head that I'm going to become a IAS officer. So they kept telling me कि इन्हें तो magistrate बनना है. In fact, our Dadaji always used to say, कर दी magistrate है, like that. But somehow, when I finished my BA, did very well in that, Dad got a posting to Ambala. And there was no way that I could do any coaching of civil services. And then finally I looked at I'd got one history book, a huge thick tome. So I looked at it and I was so shocked. I told Mommy that I can't do it, because without coaching, without help, or at least a person who's doing IAS, you cannot. So Mummy was very frank. She said, देख ले, यहाँ ते IAS की तैयारी कर ले. There's no guarantee that you'll get through or get married. So I just told them I'll get married.
The choice was clear.
Yes.
Leave padhai, I'll get married, do whatever.
Yes. But somehow that seed was always there in my mind that I didn't become an IAS officer. So I remember when my elder daughter, absolutely. So when my elder daughter, when she was doing her BA and all, she did history honors. Again, a very bright student. I kept telling her, you must appear for the IAS.
Oh, see? कहीं ना कहीं वो रह गया।
Yes, वो रह गया। वो एक ख्वाहिश थी कि मुझे बनना है।
करना है।
But of course, she had her own way. She said, "नहीं, Mama, I'm not really into it." And she did her event management, and she got into the PR thing.
But she still worked and something
and she's doing
independently.
very well today.
Yeah.
But
enjoy.
it's a fact that we want our children to do better than us.
Yes. So did you also feel that I didn't work, so I want to make sure कि Sarina works?
Definitely. I'm making sure I'm keep
you're like,
encouraging her that you have to do something.
है ना? मेरे को भी होता है।
Marriage is not on the cards till you do something. Till make a career of yourself.
But do you think we overdo it? Sometimes my mother tells me, she said, I think that तू ना दे दिमाग कीड़ा पा रही है कि ब्याह ना करो। ऐसा नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि शादी ना करो। I'm not saying that. She said, तू ज्यादा ही strong feminist सी बन गई है। मैंने कहा, मैं तो उनको ये बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब शादी जब करनी है तो right reasons के लिए करो, और right person, मतलब
right person,
right time,
right age also,
right
time also.
Do you think there's a right age?
No, there's no really right age, but the kids these days, they don't want to get married.
Early.
They want to, not early, they won't get married. They, they're extending their, 30s and all. I think if they have to get married, they should really choose a right age to get married, whatever they feel, for each their own. But if you want to marry, then you marry. If you don't want to marry, then good enough. I think if you're doing well in your life, it's your wish.
It's your choice.
I think we've left it very open to them these days.
Yeah, I think that way we have become that a little more liberal.
Our parents
much
were
more liberal.
all the time shadi kar do, bas, they are done. Shadi kar do and
I
they
think
are done.
especially with girls. लड़कियों का फिर भी होता था कि चलो पहले नौकरी कर लो, ये वो। लड़कियों का तो था कि बस ठीक है,
बस 20-21 की हो गई तो they start looking for a match. And then there was so much indirect pressure. It wasn't just the parents, your ताई, चाची, मम्मी, मासी, all of them, they will keep asking the parents, लड़की नहीं वड्डी होगी, ब्याह नहीं कीता है, like that. So there was a lot of indirect pressure.
आपके जमाने की बात अलग थी, हमारे जमाने में भी यही था. But for our kids, we don't want this.
We don't want.
None of us. I think we all mothers who feel कि they should be, financially independent.
That is the point.
Financially independent. That's the key thing.
That's the key thing. Financially,
especially for girls, we feel it even more.
उसके बाद आपको जो करना है करो. You want to marry, you don't want to marry, you want to settle down. It's your wish.
तो हमारा तो वो होता था ना कि बीजी वगैरह बोलने लगते थे, अच्छा तू 22 दी होगी, 22 तक तो मेरे 2 बच्चे भी हो गए थे, है ना, इतना भी हो गया था, 21 तक तो मेरे 2 इतने भी हो गए सी, ये तो स्कूल भी चले गए सी, 25 तक मैं यूज़ टेलर कैसा मैं बिजी हूं, मैं 25 दी हैं, अच्छा 25 तक तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ पोते भी हो गए. So So yeah, I know, of course, that was there. But yeah, I think things are changing. But I still see in a lot of conservative families where it's still prevalent that the girls they expect कि 24-25 तक, है ना?
Of course.
Friends and all में मैंने देखा है
they want
कि शादी तो करनी है.
24-25 and you should get married.
हाँ ठीक है, 2-3 साल जॉब कर लेंगी, उसके बाद तो शादी
हाँ,
नहीं
जॉब
करनी
अपने
है.
घर जाके करना.
हाँ,
you get
वो
married,
एक
that
और
was
चीज होता
like,
है,
हाँ,
है ना?
ये अपने घर जाके जो
अपने
करना
घर जाके, ये किसका घर है?
I know.
किराए का घर है. हाँ, अपने घर, ये बड़ा होता था हमारे टाइम में भी, अभी भी होता है, but it is sad. But yeah, so but do you think आजकल, okay, this is a fun question, okay, Sabina, you and me are like, you know, moms of today. मामी जी, आप पहले की जमाने की मम्मी हैं, तो क्या आपको लगता है, क्योंकि आपकी बेटियां भी मम्मी हैं, क्या आपको लगता है कि मम्मियां ज्यादा पैरानॉइड है अब? लाइक मतलब यू नो, हमारे टाइम में देखो फैक्ट है कि हम पल गए. हम पल गए, you know, our moms were chill, like you
Yeah,
people they were very chill कि चलो
Yeah.
खाना खिलाया, सुबह छुट्टियों में होता था, हम लोग जब नानी के घर आते थे तो सुबह उठ गए, नहा धो लिया, इनको कुछ मुंह में ठूस दिया, खाना वाना खिला दिया, now you get lost.
Yeah.
अब हमें सारा दिन, मतलब I remember कि आप लोग हमें देखते तक नहीं थे till the
नहीं
next
देखते थे,
meal.
really.
हाँ,
कोई-
true. Our parents didn't really see
हम
where
पूरे
what I'm
कॉलोनी में
doing,
घूम
what
रहे
I'm doing.
हैं, वो नाना जी की कॉलोनी में हम
हाँ,
रानी बाग में
हाँ.
पूरा भाग रहे हैं, इधर घूम रहे हैं, nobody bothered.
साइकिल लेके
Yeah,
कहाँ
yeah.
जा रहे हैं
Safety.
बच्चे, कुछ नहीं पता.
सड़क पे जा रहे हैं, सेफ्टी है कि नहीं, कुत्ते पड़ोसी
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं,
नहीं.
हमें नहीं पता, हम पूरा घूम रहे हैं.
खाया नहीं खाया वो भी नहीं.
हाँ.
I mean, ठीक है, खा लो. whatever.
एंड वो
It
चॉइस
wasn't
का
like
इतना
a-
ज्यादा नहीं होता था. वंस
नहीं.
इन अ व्हाइल मदर्स वुड मेक आवर चॉइस, और नानी वुड मेक आवर
Yeah,
चॉइस कि चलो
yeah.
छुट्टियों में आए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट इट वाज, देयर वाज नेवर क्वेश्चन एवरी डे कि आज तुम क्या खाओगे.
No, never.
हाँ,
हाँ,
never,
ओ ये
never.
तुम नहीं खाते तो तुम्हारे लिए बेटा
ये
कुछ
बना
और
देते
बन
हैं.
जाएगा, 7 course meal बन जाएगा बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, माय लव, व्हाट डू यू वांट
I
टू
know.
हैव.
Yeah.
Do you
That's
think we are
true.
overdoing it?
Absolutely,
True,
100%. Absolutely. Because I see when my grandchildren come, the first lunch they will still have a proper dal sabzi roti. But dinner, oh, the moment you say कि अच्छा क्या बना है, दाल और सब्जी, नानी, that is so boring. That is the inevitable reply. So they want their pasta, they want some cheeseburgers, something, some
हाँ,
change.
है ना, some
They are
junk.
not happy with the regular
जो
dal
भी
sabzi
बना है
roti.
उससे कुछ और ही चाहिए.
हाँ, and the mother also will quickly go into the kitchen and rustle up something, or they'll just order something.
Do you get
Orders
irritated?
become so common.
Do you tell your girls then कि ना बनाओ, जो बनाए वो खिलाओ
Many
उनको?
times I tell them, but it's
No
too
one
late.
No one listens.
They brought them up like that, you know, so the children are really pampered.
I want to ask you, do you ever run to the kitchen and say मैं बच्चों की पसंद का बना देती हूँ?
No,
Never?
gone are the days.
बना लिया.
I don't want to
अपने
do that
बच्चों को
either
पाल लिया
now.
enough.
I
अब
don't
नहीं.
want to do that either now. Please make yourself. help
Make
yourself.
yourself.
now,
बहुत
not
बना दिए
now.
तुम्हारे
हाँ, अब
पराठे
नहीं,
केक.
अब नहीं.
हाँ,
बहुत
नहीं,
खिलाया है
yeah.
हाथ से यार.
हाँ.
Till I think 10th, 12th.
हो गया.
We
हाँ.
fed them.
जो खाना.
अब हो गया.
अब नहीं.
अब खाना ही खाओ, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं बेटा.
yeah,
Order
yeah.
Zomato,
Order.
Swiggy, whatever.
हाँ, बस हो गया. अब हो गया. न्यूट्रिशन जितना हम कर सकते थे हमने कर लिया.
Nutrition is done till.
अब तुम 20 साल बाद जाके रुचिता दिवेरकर की डाइट फॉलो कर लेना. जंक फूड खा के हाल तो तुम्हारा बुरा ही होने वाला है.
सच्ची, सच्ची.
So not at all, है ना?
No, true.
So
I think these days mothers are overdoing it.
Everything, no?
And they want to do everything for the children and everything. Oh, he likes this or she likes
Helicopter
this.
parenting.
And,
Are we borderline helicopter parenting? Most of us.
well, not really helicopter parenting, but
Borderline.
yeah. But you know, the parents are really involved these days with the kids.
Yeah, that I see all
I mean,
the
all
time.
the
In a
time,
good way?
In a good way also.
Yeah.
I mean, mostly in a good way, but yeah, a few bad ways you can say.
extremely
You know,
आ जाता है.
extremely खाना उनके choice का and you're pampering them so much.
Yeah.
Whatever they ask, we
हर
give it on a
gadgets
platter.
फटाफट
Yeah.
मिल जाता है.
But in a good way also.
Yeah, that's true, है ना?
Taking them to classes,
Yeah.
taking them for whatever they are good in. I mean, our parents never did that.
And
They're
talking
like,
to them.
छोड़ दो बस हो गया. Whatever they want to do, they'll do on their own. है ना?
Yeah.
But we want नहीं इसको
ये-
skating भी ले जानी है, इसको ये class भी है, वो
Tennis
class
भी
भी है.
है.
So, we want to make them, you know, familiar
यही
to
है.
everything.
हमारे टाइम में कैसे आता था कि अब आ गया है, अब सब
आ
लोग
गया है
सीख
तो
लो.
सब यही सीखो.
इंटरेस्ट है नहीं है सब सीखो. क्रिकेट खेलना है आज एक ही स्पोर्ट का कोच आ रहा है इस कॉलोनी में, सब लोग वही सीखो. है ना? अभी वो नहीं है. And also because do you think because we are involved more, are we having more conversations with our children? Do you think our children are opening up? I mean, although social media is another level of stress altogether,
Right,
and it's having all sorts of weird impact also on our children.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I feel that, you know, मेरा ये है कि शायद हम लोग we are having more conversations with our children, you know, trying to understand what's
Yeah.
if they want to have or not have is another
They don't want
They
to
don't
talk.
want to have.
We go on and on
But
and
we
on
still
and on.
कि कुछ
बोलो,
तो दिमाग में
बताओ,
इनका
क्या
डल
हुआ?
जाए.
हाँ.
But you know what? Now kids, like we wouldn't speak to our parents so much.
Exactly. I
About
wanted
our
to do this.
feelings.
Yeah.
Our kids do that.
Yeah.
They tell you everything, you know, what
Yeah.
they're feeling, what is going on. I mean, if you coax them, they will tell you.
They will tell you, Hana. They'll
हाँ.
tell you. They are more free to talk to us
Yeah.
than we were with our moms.
Huh.
Hana,
we
I think
couldn't tell about our boyfriends or about our
relationships.
anybody.
Yeah,
we couldn't.
yeah.
But they tell us.
And
ये
we are more
किया, वो
accepting.
किया.
We
and
will
we
not
accept
react
it.
in
Okay,
a-
don't do it next time. You shouldn't have done it. We tell them, but don't do it. जो भी अच्छा है वो करो.
Yeah.
You know, try to be nice.
Yeah.
But I think we are more listening to them. We listen more.
But do you I know that you as a person were a little more liberal,
Yeah.
so you did talk a lot to your children.
Yeah.
But was your reaction to their you know, when Indra was dating,
हाँ.
was it like तब भी थोड़ा सेंस तो हुआ होगा?
Not really. नहीं. Of course, stress तो हुआ that, you know, she was quite serious about the person who later became a husband.
हाँ.
But I think we took it more or less in the
Yes,
stride.
yes.
We had quite a liberal atmosphere in the house.
Yeah.
You know, that communication level has to be open.
Has to be there.
हाँ.
Because that's key these days. It's
Yeah.
all about talking, because with social media you don't know what's going on in their mind, what's,
Right.
you know, how it's affecting them,
Right.
all sorts of things which we had
Yeah,
never heard of,
yeah,
body
yeah.
image issues,
Yeah.
and mental health
Bullying
issues,
and I don't know how
bullying.
much. So
Yeah.
many things.
We got all of that, but हमें पता नहीं था क्यों हो रहा है.
हाँ, हाँ.
We all had.
We went through all of
Yes.
that.
Gone through all
Yes.
that.
But हमें
but
पता
we
नहीं
didn't
था.
know.
But that
ये
label
भी
was
होता
not
है.
there, na?
Yeah. It's like the Me Too
We
happened,
didn't know.
but
Oh,
we
this
didn't know
is
the Me Too
depression.
happened.
This is bullying.
हमें
We
नहीं
thought
पता
it's a
था.
part of life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we
और
took
हमें
it.
यही कहा जाता था ना कि हाँ मतलब ठीक है, ये तो स्कूल में होता ही है.
हाँ,
Learn to
exactly.
deal with it.
हाँ,
You know,
learn to deal.
ये
But-
तुम्हें टफर बनाएगा.
हाँ.
You know, ये वो हमारा तो यही था, पेरेंट्स का वो लठमार
No, that
तरीका.
was also considered a virtue.
Yeah.
कि भी अच्छा है, टीचर स्ट्रिक्ट है, तुम्हें
हाँ.
डांट दिया या पनिश कर दिया,
हाँ.
you will learn
I
a
think
lesson.
that was a better way.
Yeah.
In some ways.
हाँ,
You know कि
You think
डांट
so?
पड़ रही है तो they know.
थोड़ा
Kids
सा.
follow discipline.
Yeah.
Nowadays जरा सा कुछ बोल दो तो parents
दिल
are in
टूट
school.
जाते
You
हैं.
know. Parents go to
Parents,
school.
oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You
I
know-
believe so. I've been a teacher all my
हाँ,
life, but
हाँ.
earlier no parent would come and complain. And of course, we didn't have phones and all, so it was
Yes.
only a PTM, say after 3 months or so.
Yeah.
So they would never complain like this. But now I have friends who are teaching. They say it is so miserable
Really?
because you can't even raise your voice against the
Yeah.
child.
But
Immediately
yeah.
there'll be a report and a report straight to the principal, and she'll pull
Exactly.
you up.
And you have to
Yeah.
really
हाँ.
worry about
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा extreme भी है शायद.
हाँ, I feel
because
so.
कहीं ना कहीं some discipline is required.
It
which
is
I think
required.
is
Absolutely.
lacking a little. I mean,
And
because
children must respect the teachers. If they know they can get away with it, you know, just by
Ah.
complaining to the parents, the teacher gets pulled up. I think that's
yeah.
not right.
Also,
Yeah,
that,
that's not right at all.
Also, that clarity, you know, sometimes I think like Zara would tell me that, you know, my exam is there. I think I have anxiety issues. I said, बेटा थोड़ा तो butterflies exam से पहले
होते हैं,
सबको होते हैं.
सबको होते
I tell the girls, I said, यार कोई confusion है दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है about your, you know, about yourself or about your
Yeah.
feelings or anything. I said, come and ask me.
Yeah,
Don't Google
yeah.
it. हमको
Exactly.
पूछो. We will explain. If we need help, we'll get help.
Yes.
But first,
Ah,
come and
of
talk to
course,
us
of
about
course.
it.
Yeah.
Like, don't go to extreme think. Yeah, I think I have this and I think I have that.
But girls still come and talk to you.
हाँ,
They
with
tell
boys
you
it's even
everything.
more difficult because you have a son and
Boys
you also have a
talk
son.
less.
Boys
Yeah.
talk less. Definitely.
So they
Yeah.
will not tell you what they're going through.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मेरे को anxiety नहीं
So
है.
same
They
thing
have
with-
nothing.
Same
They are
thing
just
with
man.
husbands also. I feel
Yeah.
husbands also where do they maybe with difficulty they'll open up once in a while.
Yes.
Women
Yeah.
talk all the time and we
Yeah.
share with our friends, sisters, anybody.
Yeah.
We're only
Men
talking.
talk less in
Yeah,
Yes.
they do. They do.
Very interesting. And that's been a fun round. And I want to end with this, and then we'll go to the next section.
Okay.
One question, which may be that do you think now that as mothers, are we our last priority? Are we over? I mean, to be that perfect mom, वो भी बहुत आजकल वो बहुत ज़्यादा है that, you know, to do it all with soccer mom and this and that.
I know.
Are we overdoing it and in the process exhausting ourselves out and burning ourselves out? Are we overdoing it and are we in that whole thing of being a perfect mom, being like making ourselves the last priority? Do you think so, Sabina?
Sabina can answer that better.
Why do you say that?
No,
She's
because
like, I've done it. मैं तो हूँ grandma
मेरा
की
हो
बन
गया।
गई।
I've been through all that.
अपने पाली जाए बच्चे अब मैं तो सिर्फ खराब करूंगी उनकी चॉकलेट केक बना के खिला दूंगी
हम तो पैम्पर ही करते हैं ना
Pamper ही
ग्रैंड
करेंगे।
पर हम भी पैम्पर ही करते थे यार
हाँ.
बच्चों को. I think जहाँ भी wherever kids come, it's not stressful for mothers.
Yes.
And, you know, you have to take care
Very
of.
good.
If you don't take care of your health, nobody
Yeah.
else is going to.
Absolutely.
yeah and also your family first
They're all dependent on you.
Exactly, I was just going to say.
The whole family, your husband, children are dependent on you. So
Yeah.
if you're not doing well, they're not going to do well either. So I think
That
you
is
should give
so well
priority to
said.
yourself.
Yes. We have to, and I think that is, as mothers, we have to consciously remember that
Of
always.
course.
You know,
Yeah.
whenever
Radiate
I join
happiness in the family.
Of course.
Absolutely,
You have to be
recreate
a
that.
happy person to give happiness to others.
Absolutely, very well said.
That's true. You have to be a happy person to give, to make your
Yes.
family or others happy.
Yeah.
If you're
Otherwise,
sulking all the time, nobody's going to be happy in the house. Really.
वो फिर चिड़चिड़ी
हाँ,
रहेगा.
old days.
चिड़चिड़ मम्मी. So instead of being a chill mummy, we'll end up being like the चिल्लाने वाली मम्मी.
In fact, when you're too much chill, also kids don't like, please. It's like, wow.
Don't try to be so cool. Bro, just
But they
do
don't know we are cool.
we are cool. Yeah. These days what they keep saying, bro, just do your job. Bro. Very good. That's been a fun round of conversation. And now let's move to the next segment. I do a little question answer with my audience on Instagram. So there are some questions that have come from the audience, which I do an Ask Mummy Anything online. So here are some fun questions. You can answer them whatever way you like. Okay, let me ask you, Mami ji, since you are the Purane Zamane ki mummy, do you think everyone should become mothers and everyone has a temperament to be a mother?
Not at all. Absolutely not.
I am so glad that you have answered that. I didn't want to ask Sabina because I knew her answer. I wanted to come from somebody from your generation.
Not at all.
Yeah.
I think parenting is very difficult for everybody and it doesn't come automatically. I remember when I had my first child, even how to hold her, how to feed her, how to change her nappy, that was a big challenge for us. Of course, once you have the baby, automatically some hormones kick in and, automatically you start developing that love and affection. But it's never easy.
Never easy.
I can't forget the sleepless nights, sleepless days. The child coughs and मतलब बच्चे को खांसी हो रही है, आपको बुखार पहले चढ़ जाता है.
I like that.
It was never easy.
Yeah, never
so
easy.
I don't think everyone is really cut out to be a mother.
You need to take that informed decision.
Absolutely. You
It's
have
not
to think about it. No.
वो जो होता है ना, पहले होता है done thing कि अब शादी हुई है, बच्चे
In
तो करने
olden days, it was not a choice. I think everybody knew they'll get
Yeah,
married, they'll have children.
Yeah,
Now
it was kind of
people-
automatic.
Yeah.
But now, if
But
you have
now
a choice,
people are
I think
well informed.
Yeah,
And they know
you
when
should
they want,
make a
when they
choice
want.
and then go into it. It's not easy.
Yes, great. Sabina Bhabi, you tell me, should moms these days, somebody's asked, do moms these days also hide things from their dads? And is it the right thing to do? Oh, this is a fun one
No,
because
moms hide from the husband.
from the husband basically. I think
Oh,
जैसे हमारे
yes,
टाइम में होता है ना,
yes.
फिल्टर करके
हाँ,
पापा को
हाँ,
इन्फॉर्मेशन जाती थी.
course,
आजकल
of
भी हम
course,
करते
of
ही हैं
course. I
secretly.
I do filter a lot of
Yeah.
things. I cannot tell each
Yeah.
and everything to the father because I feel he might not like it. And or maybe the kids don't want me to tell because they are opening up to me. So, but
वो
yes,
trust
I
factor.
do filter a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I don't tell everything to him.
Remember, Bhaiya is going to watch this
Oh, yeah.
podcast.
I'm sure he knows that. And he doesn't want to know everything.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a good point.
So he doesn't want to know everything. He also wants to know the filtered stuff.
As long as ऊपर से सब ठीक चल रहा है, ठीक है. कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा कलेश हो जाएगा तो मुझे बता देना.
So when it goes out of my hand, then I'm like, you need to step in.
You need
now.
to step in. Yeah, I think
Till then I'll handle it.
Same
उसके
here.
बाद you need to filter.
you need to, है ना? थोड़ा सा filter तो we do. Like girls will come and say, Mama, don't tell Papa. अरे हमारे तो छोटे like parents in college. So she gets a weekly pocket money. तो खत्म. Aman gives that pocket money. जब वो खत्म हो जाती है, she'll tell me. ऐसे तू पापा से बोला, no, don't tell Papa ना. Just send me ना. Just Papa last, where did the money finish?
Of course.
Yeah. I think kids also just want to tell you as a mother.
वो soft
They
factor
don't want
रहता है.
कि पापा को भी पता चले. There are lots of things they don't want Papa to know.
आप भी छुपाते थे बीवी मामा से?
बहुत.
Proudly. We are the proud moms hiding
Yes.
things from the fathers for the sanity of the family.
Exactly.
For the
Exactly.
harmony in the family.
Yeah.
Good decision. Very good. Okay, this is interesting. Why do moms judge other moms? Why do people say, oh, ये वाली मम्मी ये ऐसे कर रही थी? Why are we not, empathizing with other moms? I think that is we do.
Judge sometimes.
Because I think ultimately we all become aunties.
Don't say that because this auntie is already sitting here. But
also
I
aunties.
think, no, I never would judge other people. In fact, I would sympathize with them because poor things, sometimes you're not well, still you're handling the house, the husband, the children. Not really. I never went around judging people.
हाँ, करना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
But I think sometimes
I think unconsciously sometimes you do it.
We do, है ना?
But
I
not
think
as
for
a
that-
routine.
From the inner auntie of us cannot resist sometimes.
I
But
think that's called gossip also.
gossip also. Yeah, but yeah, you're right. Karna chahiye
not,
nahi. It's not good because every mom and dad has a struggle of their own.
Yeah.
Everyone is going through something.
Exactly.
And we don't know what it is.
Yeah.
So however she or he is behaving, mothers are behaving, there must be some story behind it. So yes,
Yeah.
it should not be done. Mami, Bhabhi, this is for you. I think you could relate to this. Why are PTMs becoming like a fashion parade? Isn't it? Was it a fashion parade in your time?
There's a
It
good
is,
answer,
it is.
good question for Sabina. She's always dressed so perfectly.
Or in fact, I would never dress up at the PTM.
Yeah.
I would really feel, wow, this is nice.
but people do.
Because of course they
Women
do.
do.
Yeah.
Right?
They have the best bags and they have the best glasses
Yeah.
on and the stilettos and
Oh my God, all brands and all. आपको भी लगता है parents ऐसे बहुत तैयार होके आते थे?
बहुत तैयार होके
शुरू
आते
से?
थे, always.
Tip top.
Tip top.
अच्छा PTM का PTM?
PTM, I think they wanted to give a good impression to the teachers and
Teachers
to the
also.
other moms.
Yeah.
Both the
So
things.
ठीक है, that's the only time you're meeting the other parents also. Na?
Oh, that's an interesting one. What is the retirement age for mothers?
No retirement age.
No, I think maybe once your children have gone to the college,
gone through,
that's
no.
retirement from from their work.
बेटा अभी
And yours?
आएंगे उनके बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड जो आपको पसंद नहीं आएंगे.
Oh, ask me.
And trust me, even when the girls get married, every now and then when you meet them, always some issues have to be discussed.
Yeah,
they
yeah.
will talk
I
about
think
their family
retirement
life.
as a mother
We'll
will
be
never-
giving advice.
that will
Mothers never
happen.
retire.
That will never happen.
We will
But
die.
yes, three ones
Yeah.
have gone to college.
Yeah,
At least I
yes.
can do my stuff. I have my
Yeah.
time, me time.
yeah,
So yeah,
So
that,
there's
that way I
less-
feel I'm the
रोज
that's
रोज
the
के
time.
काम
Yeah,
नहीं है. The chores are less.
हाँ.
That's been great. Now we have only about 5 minutes left for a fun rapid fire.
Oh,
This
God.
is yes.
Vinay aunty, you
देखो
have
हम
to
कहीं
answer
तक कहीं
all.
तो
What are you saying,
They're like-
Sabina? No way.
no cheating. Like I can't give you the question back. So now I have a fun rapid fire. We've had a good round of questions, and now we're gonna have a fun rapid fire, like I
Okay.
told you guys. So let's go. No cheating here.
Okay.
Mami ji, shall I start with you?
Yeah,
Senior citizens
sure.
first. All right. Mother or grandmother? What do you like more?
Grandmother.
Ah,
Any day.
Any
I
day.
love that.
Love to pamper the kids. Yes, that's sweet. I thought so. One thing that shocks you or irritates you about today's moms?
Nothing very shocking because they have their own set of challenges. But I feel sorry when I see working mothers leaving tiny kids, to the care of the maids or to a creche or something. I mean, it's so much better if the child is brought up by the mother.
Yeah.
I can understand it's tough for them and, they have their own challenges.
Yes.
It's difficult to give up a job because you've had a baby.
Yes, of course, that's true. Okay, so if you could go back in time and relive a phase of your life with your kids, what would it be?
I'm giving a very dull answer because we've had a lovely childhood with the children.
Yeah.
When I look back, it's been fun, games,
Yes.
going for picnics, going
Yeah.
for holidays.
That
Nothing that
growing
really
up.
I want to relive.
Yeah.
It was really a golden period for
Yeah,
us.
golden period. The kids when they were small.
When
and
they were
everything.
small.
Of
It
course.
was lovely.
Yes.
Huh.
Okay, have you ever slapped your children? The
I
thappad.
did. I did.
Thappad therapy always works.
Yes, yes. All
You
three
support
of them have got it from me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You
yeah.
support it wholeheartedly?
Absolutely.
They needed it when they needed it.
Because sometimes, you just
You're
lose your
done with
temper
it.
and they're so naughty. Not so much on the face, more on the bums.
Oh, then we are worse, I think. And any regrets about marrying those thappads?
No. I think they needed it.
The grandmother speaks. All right. One thing you loved cooking for your kids, and now you also do the same for your grandkids.
Cakes.
I know.
I used to love baking for them,
Yes.
Mainly cakes.
Yeah.
Cakes of all variety. Orange cake used to be their favorite. Chocolate cakes, I don't know how many I've made. And now same, it's continuing. Whenever the grandchildren come, their first demand is bake a cake.
And we all love your
I
chocolate
know,
cakes.
everybody loves your cakes.
We can vouch for your chocolates cake. I'm sure. Nothing like that. I still have some of the recipes.
Good.
I make them. Something you were very strict about as a mother, that no compromises there. A strict rule in the
I
house.
think I was very strict so far as the academics was concerned.
Acha, okay.
Every child, when they came, they would have their lunch and then they would sit down with their books.
Acha.
They were told no compromise. You have to do the homework properly, maintain good notebooks. And I would go through the notebooks to make sure, just see what the child is doing in class also. Whether the teacher has put any remark. no compromise where studies are concerned. As particular
True,
about
true
that.
teacher at heart.
Yes.
Once a teacher, always a teacher.
Yes.
Any habit of your kids that annoyed you to the core?
I
Any
think
Rona Dona
I have
or
to talk
anything?
about my younger daughter who was a very slow eater. Oh my God.
I just knew you were going to
Such
say
a-
that.
First, till she was about 7 or 8 years old, I had to, burki tod ke maine usko khana khilaya. But even after she grew up, we would all finish. But this girl, slowly, she would keep eating. It was so annoying.
Once I've got a good one from my mom,
Huh,
and I remember I got back from school, and again she'd given me the lunch, and she sat with me for 5-10 minutes, but I would eat at like snail speed. Then finally she got tired, and she's like, "मैं तो सोने जा रही हूँ, तू खाना खा लेना." And she went to sleep. She woke up at like after 1.5 hours. I was still on the table. She got so irritated. She threw the plate away. And she's like, मैं तेनू खाना नहीं. She's like, मैं खाना नहीं देगा, उठ के चले जाओ यहाँ से. She was like, what is 2 घंटे हो गए?
I think food was such a
Pain always.
pain to feed the kids. You know? I think our parents are fine. They would just leave it. खाओ नहीं खाना ना खाओ.
We have struggled. We all have
Being in a
struggled with that.
boarding, food was like we were just dying for food all the
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So food was never an issue for us. For our parents.
जो मिल जाए.
जो मिल जाए हम खा लेते
खा
थे
जाते
यार.
थे,
We were
correct.
hungry all the time. After lunch अगर home food दे दो तो हम वो भी चुप के खा लेंगे.
हाँ, बोर्डिंग में तो बहुत ज्यादा.
पूरी, the
किसी फ्रेंड का
paratha.
टक आ जाए तो
Oh, aloo puri paratha was a favorite in our boarding. कोई भी घर से ले आए, we were full enough to our stomach, we would eat it.
eat it. True that. I know. Food was always a challenge. Worst part about being a mom?
I think the worst was when the children were very small because you're worried about the small infant. I was so happy when they became 1 year old and became a little stronger, a little sturdier.
As a baby, they're
handling
very
a
fragile.
delicate baby was a big challenge for me. But otherwise, it's been fun and games. It's been a lovely time.
Great. Best part about being a grandmother?
Best part is pampering the children to their heart's content. So whatever they want, taking them out occasionally for a meal, cooking their favorite dishes. Oh, it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And they give you so much of love and affection.
Yes.
Little cards they make. I've preserved all the little cards that they've
So
made.
sweet.
On my birthdays, they will send cards. They'll write a few lines. That was lovely.
Now you leave the stress to the parents.
Yes.
अब
yes.
हमारा job.
And the stress goes to the parents.
वही
Yes.
तो. उनको छोड़ दो. Last question. One generational wisdom you want to pass on to everyone, to our viewers also.
I think the only bit of wisdom which I can pass on in this long life is accept life as it comes. None of us have had a very easy life. There have been a lot of challenges in our lives, but you just have to accept it and go with the flow. There's one Satpal Singh, a very wise person whom I listen to. I listen to his videos. So what he says is, it's like a fish swimming against the current. No matter how much you try, the fish can never succeed. So learn to flow with the current.
Wow,
That's the only wisdom.
That's
I
a
can.
lovely thing to say. Very nice. That's really nice. Mamiji, you did well. Good. Well done for a teacher. Bhabhi, it's your turn. Or
The prize goes to mommy.
पहले से क्या पता?
नहीं
हमें क्या पता? अभी आप वो फर्रे तो नहीं बना के लाए?
You didn't give me the question paper.
चलो, let's start. Moms should be best friends or moms should be moms?
I think moms should be moms. Because they have a lot of friends. I mean, you got to be a parent.
Yeah.
Parent, they don't have so many,
Yeah.
Friends
मम्मी
they
तो
can
एक ही
have,
है.
मम्मी तो एक ही है.
Correct.
So yeah.
I agreed with that. Absolutely same my thought process. Have you slapped your kids?
100%. Many times.
When Mami ji was saying, मैंने तो सिर्फ बट पे मारा. I was looking at Bhabhi and हम दोनों ने तो ऐसे फटाक.
My kids must be looking at me. बहुत मारा है.
बहुत बेचारे को थप्पड़ मारे मैंने. I think
पापा
मैंने
नहीं होते थे ना around, so all the frustration would
और बड़े वालों को
come
ज्यादा
out.
मारा है. छोटी वाली को कम मारा है.
नहीं.
हाँ?
दोनों की पिटाई हुई है.
दोनों की पिटाई हुई है.
पिटाई दोनों की
And
हुई है.
are you guilty about it?
No, not at all.
I like.
Guilty at all.
We are the badass moms, not guilty.
I'm not guilty.
Thapad
Why
treatment
guilty?
always works. Thapad therapy.
Of course. And I think all kids should get it once.
They should get it when they are small. Absolutely.
Nice. We'll be trolled
Maybe
for
your
this. but okay.
grandchildren, you will not beat them.
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Like,
No, grandchildren
But
to
children
never.
you every time because they're
Children,
on to you all the
absolutely.
time.
He's like beat them up. Like उन्होंने शायद कमरे में बंद करके पिटाई करी है. One thing you hate doing as a mom and you wish you could outsource.
Cooking.
है ना?
And I've done it also now.
ठीक है.
I've outsourced.
हो गया बस बहुत हो गया.
हो गया
yeah. बहुत बना लिए केक.
बड़ी लौकी तो रही खिलाई बचपन में, सारा हेल्दी फूड खिला दिया, and now I'm done.
अब नहीं हो सकता. I think all moms would agree with that.
Yeah.
Your best phase of motherhood or best phase of your kids that you enjoyed?
I think I'm enjoying them now.
Yeah. Now that they're away. They're not at home and I'm enjoying them the most. Best phase when they're out of the house. I love your answer.
Because when they are there, you know, the school padhai,
Yeah.
the classes, you know,
Yeah.
all the time. सुबह उठना है, उनको जल्दी सुलाना है, सोते नहीं है. You know, there's so
Of
much
course.
Yeah, so
pressure.
much.
Yeah.
सुबह
Yeah.
उठो, टिफिन बनाओ, फिर उनको
Yeah.
छोड़ के. There's so much work.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
there's no work.
So when we don't enjoy them, now they're not home. There is no work.
Yeah.
We text and we enjoy.
Yes.
We say I love you to each other every day.
Every day we talk, and you know, me and my son have a conversation who's far away every day.
How sweet.
So it's at least now he talks to me. Earlier when he was there, he would talk to me.
कमरे में बंद रहता
कमरे में बंद होके, you don't talk. So at least now we talk.
Very interesting. I love your answer. Great. And your worst phase of motherhood?
Like Minna auntie said, the
Babies.
infant baby.
Yeah.
Oh, it was really difficult.
Yeah,
you
it
know,
was
it's so much work and so you feel so this thing. and
You're
then-
scared all
Tired.
the time
You're
of
scared
handling
all the
them.
time.
And you're tired.
You're
and
tired
you're
all the
exhausted.
time.
Yeah.
Scared so that you're tired.
Tired. You can't sleep all night.
Yeah, you're not
Yeah.
sleeping, and my daughter was very difficult. Like, you know, one child is always easy, one child is difficult.
Right.
So my daughter was very difficult. She won't sleep. So, you know, putting her to sleep and
Yeah.
to get her.
These are real struggles.
It's a struggle.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So
मेरा
that
भी-
phase, I think, was the worst.
Yeah. Even my younger one was always, she was very fragile. बहुत
Yeah.
बीमार पड़ती थी.
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ पहले 2 साल तो we were half the time in the hospital.
Yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता था.
And
I
my
agree.
kids weren't they were just 2 years apart.
Yeah.
So both were like toddlers.
Yeah.
So it was a
Oh,
difficult phase
Very,
that
very.
time.
The elder one also needed the attention.
Yeah, so the elder one needed attention, and you know, they were just 1 year, 10 months apart,
My God.
rather.
Yeah, that's
So
very less the
that-
difference.
They both were like, you know,
Yeah, like
little
twins
kids.
almost.
Yeah.
तभी दोनों एक ही साथ बाहर भी हो गए. Good planning.
That was the idea.
Very
दोनों
good.
जाओ इकट्ठे.
Great future planning. Good. Something you love doing with your kids or for your kids or with your kids, like, you know, movie, holidays, or anything, cooking, anything.
So now when they're grown up,
Yeah.
I like going out for lunches with my children.
How sweet. That's
Now
good.
that they're grown up.
Now you get to talk and have fun. Yeah.
When they were there, they won't talk as kids.
Yeah.
They won't
Yeah.
open up to you.
Yes.
They would all the time, you know.
Yeah.
Like nahi, they didn't want to talk much about
Yeah.
school, about friends, anything. Now they talk.
So
now
my-
you enjoy that
Yeah,
phase.
that
I'm enjoying
phase.
that phase.
So my next question was babies or grown-up kids, but I think clearly grown-up
definitely
kids. Grown-up kids.
grown up any day.
And the last question you've already answered, but I'll still ask you again. Did you suffer from the emptiness syndrome, or did you secretly enjoy it? We know that.
I think everybody knows the answer.
Yeah.
She has been saying it right from the beginning of the
Beginning.
podcast. I love it
Seriously.
that they're out.
I'm enjoying the grown up stage.
Great, well done, well done, well done. That's
So,
been
yeah.
a great rapid fire, and congratulations both of you. I think it was wonderful
Yay,
from
finally.
both your perspectives. We had a great rapid fire, and I think it's a tie. We will do a tie.
Wow, Minanti.
I think it is a tie. Maybe we'll give one extra mark to Sabina for all her
Yes.
not suffering from emptiness syndrome. So this is a small gift from me. I know
I
you
will
both
also
have
show
originals
Oh,
of my
how
paintings too.
nice.
Beautiful.
Maybe I like
Can I
yours
see? Can I
more.
see that?
Yes.
ऐसे नहीं होता. I'm not giving it.
I know I like hers
It's
more. Why is
beautiful.
mine not
Oh
so
yeah, you can
colourful?
change it. You can
She's
change
not
it.
changing.
I'm not changing. I love it.
I know I like the red bag also. Renu, this is not fair.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that soon. In
Chalo,
fact,
theek hai.
yes.
But we love it. It's beautiful.
Yes.
It's lovely.
Yes.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
It's going on my wall today.
Yes. I'm glad
I
that you-
anyways have a few.
Yeah. I know. You have the
We also.
original.
I also have
Slays
all.
bar copy mili hai. But thank you so much for being here, Mami ji, and thank you so much for being here, Bhabhi.
Thank you for
And
having us.
Yeah,
over.
yeah.
This was literally like the drawing room conversations
Yeah, I
we
know.
have.
We were very
and
nervous.
I have to tell my viewers that we all are a very loud family. So I know again the editor will have a problem taking out all the loud noises from this
Yes.
editing. But we are a loud family. But thank you so much. I think we had such a fun conversation. It was. I didn't feel conscious at all. Were you
We were
conscious of
very
the camera?
nervous. I was very nervous.
You did well.
But
Don't
I
worry.
think it went
You
on
got an
well.
A. And this goes on the internet and stays forever
God.
for your great grandchildren.
That's
to see one
scary.
day.
That's a bit scary.
Please cut
No,
out
no.
the...
Thank you so much for being here, and I love you both so much. And thank you
Thank
for
you
being
so
a part
much,
of my
so much.
journey.
Yeah.
And please, I hope you all enjoy. Sorry. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Ask Mummy Anything. Do leave a comment and tell me what part did you like the most and who should have won the rapid fire. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please do share the podcast with all your loved ones, especially all the moms in the family. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. रात भर क्यों जागते हो, फोन में क्यों झांकते हो, काम से भाग के तुम गेट को लांघते हो. Dating apps, Google Maps, यो का लेटेस्ट रैप, सुशी की रेसिपी करती मैनेज कैसे भी. Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता.